Did you know that you can follow designers on the Themes app? If you've come across a nice and modern design for themes, icons, wallpapers, or AODs and want to stay updated with the latest releases from digital creators, watch the video until the end to learn how to follow them. Let's start. Open the Themes app on your phone. Then, click on the menu in the bottom right corner. After that, find and open the following button in the top right corner. As you can see, my following list is empty because I am not following anyone. But I will change that now. Click on the Top Designers button at the bottom of the screen. Here, you will find a large number of top designers you can follow. Open the designer of your choice. There, you can see their previous designs organized by categories. If you like them and want to follow, click on the Follow button. You can follow as many designers as you like. I followed 2 designers, and my list is no longer empty. Their designs will now appear among the suggested ones. I hope you like this feature. For more tips and tricks, join our digital family by clicking the subscribe button.